Hi, I'm Peter Jones, Chartered Surveyor, author and property investor.
One of the myths you'll hear bandied around about property is that it's a bit of a scam and a get-rich-quick scheme. And of course it's neither of those things. I guess people say it's a bit of a scam because, the media like to portray investors and landlords as being bad people. Now, undoubtedly, there are people out there who probably shouldn't be landlords and investors and they're not doing a great job, but there's people who are probably a little bit dubious in every walk of life. Landlords and investors are no different. The majority of landlords and investors are decent people. Is it a get-rich-quick scheme though? Absolutely not. One of the key things to remember about property, that really property is all about building wealth steadily over the years. Now, I don't know what your current financial situation is, but I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you're interested in property and you're probably interested in changing your financial future. And property is a great way of doing that, but it's probably not going to happen instantly. Now, there are strategies in property which will help you to make, actually you can make very large sums of money in a relatively short amount of time if you know what you're doing. For example, if you were able to put together a development opportunity, you could probably make hundreds of thousands of pounds, maybe even millions of pounds in 18 months, 2 years. But for most of us, when we're starting out, we're not really thinking of doing that because we haven't got the knowledge or the experience. And we probably assume that it's a little bit beyond us, particularly in terms of raising the finance, although actually that probably isn't true either, and we can probably do more than we imagine. But for most of us, property is a fantastic, steady way of building our wealth over time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if it were anything, I suppose it's a get-rich-quick-slow scheme, which makes it very, very powerful and very attractive and very doable for many people. So if you want to change your financial future, then please do consider property.
Well, I hope you found that informative and inspirational. Until next time, here's to successful property investing.